Hi guys, I'm Jamie and welcome to my candle making course. I'm going to show you how to create candles from scratch. We're talking aromatherapy candles, essential oil candles. If you're looking to make candles for your own business, for events, for gifts to your families or friends, or even just for your personal use at home or your office, stay tuned because I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. Now it's almost 3 years and I'm the proud owner of Candle Kitchen, a handmade from scratch, fully customizable candle shop. The idea of Candle Kitchen came about during the pandemic when we had lockdown, and it was during the time that us in South Africa had a power outage. Myself and my partner were sitting on a patio that was dark and cold and lonely, and there was no conversation, no ambience, nothing of that sort. I always had love for candles. So I had this unscented pillar candle just laying around, and he took it and lit it. Almost instantly, there was a change of atmosphere. There was this flame of a light that we now focused on. We started to engage in light chit chatter, and the ambience had changed. I turned around, looked at him, and I asked him, why aren't candles a thing? Like roses and flowers are a thing, but why aren't candles more of a thing? Long story short, I'm a earthy girl, so I wanted the concept of keeping the flowers intact and making candles more of something that you go to. It always makes you feel better. It's calming, relaxing. You're not watching it die like what you would do with flowers. In fact, you're just watching it come alive. The next Monday, I did some research to see if this is something that I actually am interested in. I created a kit of my own because there was no candle kits out there that I could learn from. I spent a lot of time studying in research, a lot of time practicing. I ended up creating the perfect candle that I myself will enjoy, from the vessel to the intensity of the aromas to the types of candle that I wanted for my specific needs. And it turns out that my audience wanted the same. I started off with making individual candles for specific needs, and 3 years later, this business has been booming. That I've been making wedding candles and candles for events and souvenirs and birthdays and baby showers, and the list goes on. So stick around. I'm going to share everything that I learned with you through Candle Kitchen. And by the end of it all, you're going to be so excited to start creating your own candles. The type of candles that I specialize in and have been giving online lessons for are aromatherapy candles, so your anti-anxiety candles, your healing candles, as well as full fragrant candles.